Okay, folks. Ice storm warning. Significant icing expected due to freezing rain. Ice accumulations of 0.2 to 0.4 of an inch expected. Sleet may mix with freezing rain late this afternoon and this evening, especially over central and northern portions of DeKalb County, where the total sleet accumulation less than 1 inch is expected. That's pretty good for ice. DeKalb, LaSalle, and North Central line. From 3 p.m. this afternoon, it's actually just starting now. It's almost 5:30 Chicago time. The hazardous conditions may impact the evening commute. Yes, it's going to. Here's the instructions. An ice storm warning means significant amounts of ice accumulations will make travel dangerous or impossible. Travel is strongly discouraged. I agree with that. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. They should have blankets, sleeping bag, and make sure you're filled with fuel. I don't know who wrote this, but they should have added that extra sentence. Somebody who's probably never helped people that are in an emergency before. Snap power lines and falling branches are also possible. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by going to gettingaroundillinois.com or by calling, just in case somebody's listening to this, 1-800-261-7623. In Indiana, that doesn't say anything. So Indiana, you can't call. And the other thing I want to show you is the wind. Wind. I just stepped outside just to see. And what I was afraid of is probably happening. I can't log in the computer yet. I'm waiting for it to cool off. So I'm doing this on the phone. We have wind, and that's not good when you got wind with ice on power lines. I would say there's a good chance there's going to be a lot of power outages tonight. So be ready. If you got a tent, bring it in your house. Set it up in the living room. If the power goes down, your house is going to start cooling off. Luckily, we're not in sub-zero right now, so you can deal with it. Put your man boots on. I almost said a bad word. And you'll stay warm. So, right now, showing for 5 o'clock p.m., it's in the mid-20s on the south side. You're hitting 28, still 30 up by Palatine. And then when you go west, St. Charles, DeKalb, it's in the 26 range and dropping. You could see on this chart, it's starting to rain pretty good, like drizzle over DeKalb right now. And probably less than an hour away is the ice. If you look at Dixon and then right here by the Iowa border, it's now ice coming down. Literal ice. That's on the way. So if you can get home in the next half hour, you're doing good. If not, be very careful. There's idiots on the road. You got people texting. You got people making videos in their cars. You got freaking morons. You got, except for when I do it, because I know what I'm doing. But everybody else, I don't trust. Anyways, I don't do it that often. And if I do, the camera's facing out the window and I'm not posing and all this shit. The wind is picking up. That was my other point. Let's see if I can get this on the screen here. It's hard to do on this phone I got while I'm waiting for the computer. Radar. Yeah, it's coming. There's a blob just to our west. And then wind. I don't know what the key is for this. Oh, I see. They do KTs. So, does it slow down? Is that 60 miles? No. I can't tell on this phone the color that we're looking at here, but it does look like wind is going to be a factor. Right now, it looks like it's around 20. And I can't tell if that's... What shade of blue is that? It's not over purple, so this is probably going to be less than 10 mile an hour. If that's the case, then the wind right now is heavier than it's going to be later. And I just bumped it up back. So, looking here, that would make sense. These greens are about 20 mile an hour winds. Okay, out of the east, northeast. And then it slows down when the front gets here, which is right on the border there. So it looks like we should be okay wind-wise. Let's hit play just to make sure. Come on. 4 a.m. This internet is cutting off. I keep losing the internet. I tried going just cell signal only, and it's still not running fast. All right, wind wise. Let me pause it by tomorrow afternoon. Really no wind. Oh wait, it'll be warmer though. It'll be 35 by then. So it's just right now. Let's take a look back. Right here. Yeah, I think we're gonna be okay wind-wise. We'll have to wait and see. All right, folks. Oh, let me show you a picture outside real quick, since we're monkeying around with this. Mm-hmm. 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 All right, you can see we still got the plasma, but look at the wind. Earlier I was showing you this view. The tree was not moving. I could feel it hitting the camera right here. And it looks like some clouds are moving in. So now we have some clouds underneath the plasma base. That's kind of cool to see a real cloud. See the bumps there? Oh, Cody. Hey. It's okay, Cody. Tough guy. And it's got a little bit of a reddish hue to the sky out there. But I can never get the deep red. It looked like it was on fire 2 nights in a row. This is that west view. See the street lights on now? It's already on right there. See at the bottom of the screen? That's that white light you're going to see later when I shoot the color of the sky is almost this color now. At night. If you look at my other videos of the west sky, it's just a little darker than this is right now. That's crazy. But anyways, you guys have a good night. Be safe. Get inside if you can. Don't go anywhere. It's not worth it. Stay home. Netflix. Or watch a bunch of my videos. This is West Chicago. I am out of here. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.